In today's tech video, we're going to show you guys some test footage of the new DJI Air 3 drone. Now this particular footage is what it looks like when you just take it right out of the box and you start filming with it. No filters, no adjustments or anything like that. This is just straight out of the box camera footage. One of the impressive things with this new drone is that it does boast a 46-minute max flight time. So you can fly this thing for almost close to an hour, which is probably the longest that any of these DJI drones have been right outside of the box without buying anything like the Fly More package. It does have a dual camera sensor, which boosts 48 megapixels of photos when you're taking any kind of photos. It's got the 4K 60 frames per second HDR video taking. It does have an omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so that way it doesn't run into things. And yeah, I think it's a really nice drone for the price. Okay, so it rained for a little bit, now it's stopped, and now I am close to my house, and I've always wanted to see how far I can get with the drone, or how high I can get with the drone on this water tower. So that's the next little test that we're gonna do, is hike, see how high we can get.